Hello and welcome back to one of this year's final YouTober videos. In this video, we're carrying on our annual tradition of painting pumpkins around Halloween. And of course, by the time you guys see this, Halloween will be over, but I thought it would be fun to share our little project this year because I love how the pumpkins came out, and you guys know I love painting random objects. This is a super simple DIY, and you can do it any time of year with virtually anything. All you need is some acrylic paint, some brushes, and a little work surface, and just some imagination to create a motif of some kind. I think Eduardo's pumpkin won this year. His came out absolutely amazing, and mine was just sort of a floral motif pattern sort of deal. I'm not sure really what I was going for, but sometimes when I sit down to do these things, I try not to make it too interesting or cool and just try to focus on the experience of having a tradition and the experience of doing something creative, even if it's simple. Anyway, this is a really straightforward DIY video, and I'm not really going to explain too much. I'm just going to show you guys the process of how my pumpkin came out, and Eduardo's as well. At the end, we'll do a big reveal of the lovely pumpkins, and I don't know, leave this on in the background if you need something just festive on TV while you're cleaning or cooking or painting something of your own. And of course, these sorts of videos go very well with a glass of wine or a cup of tea or whatever you feel like having. Enjoy the video, and I'll pop back in for the outro. And there you have it, our painted pumpkins for Halloween 2021. This is one of my final YouTober videos for this year. I really loved making some October videos and sharing little creative moments with you guys. It's been a blast. Once this video is out, all of my fall October videos will have been published, barring the October vlog, which should go up any moment now. So yeah, I hope you had a wonderful October, a great Halloween. We still have all of November to be in the fall spirit, so if you're still craving more fall, don't worry, there'll be more here on this channel. I won't start posting holiday content until December 1st, I promise. So until then, let's just keep enjoying this lovely harvest season and preparing for the end of 2021. I hope you are staying safe and staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao for now.